Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thanks for joining my channel Cloud and Coffee with Navneet. In this video, we are going to learn how you can able to use AWS Glue Crawler to crawl your data setting into a data lake that is an S3 bucket. So let's get started. In order for you to do that, you have to go into AWS Glue. You have to look for the crawler. And once you are here, crawler, just click on the create crawlers. So call it demo crawler. And I will be going in next. So next step is for me to go and select the datasets. So I will be going and selecting the datasets. Right now, AWS Glue Crawler supports multiple data sources such as an S3. Along with S3, it's able to crawl the data setting into the databases using the JDBC crawlers. Using the JDBC connectors, as well as it allow you to crawl the DynamoDB, DocumentDB. In addition, it's able to allow you to crawl the data setting into multiple table formats such as a Delta, Iceberg, and Hoodie. For this example, or for this video, we are looking to see how you can able to crawl S3 buckets. So I have selected S3 as a data source. It also allow you to crawl the data from the different locations. So I've been selecting in this location, and then I will also able to showcase how you're able to select the additional S3 bucket as well. So here in this account, I will be selecting in this account, then I will be going and selecting the table. And also I will be able to showcase different variants of it, and also at the end I will be showcase how you can able to go and kind of, if you're experiencing no data issues within the crawler, what does it mean? So what I did here is I went to this S3 location. I have selected this entity resolution folder. Within the entity resolution, I have this file. So I will be going on the root bucket. So usually your root folder. So this is what you're usually looking to do. You have to go into your bucket, as well as you will be looking to go and select the folder which you are looking to select. If you have multiple folders within your S3 locations, and those are having the same data in it, and that's where you will be able to go and select that the root folder or root S3 bucket. Whereas if you have that folders with the different files or in it, then you will be looking to select that the folder which you are looking to crawl, or else if you're selecting the root folder in this way, it will able to go and identify and able to crawl all the folders for you, right? So if you're looking to have very specific folder, then you will be going and selecting that folder, or else it will be going and crawling all the folder. And based on if the data is similar, it will be creating a partition. If the data is different, it will be creating a different tables for you. So in our case, we're just going and selecting this entity resolution and done, right? Once done, here I will be going and selecting options for me to crawl sub folders, and I will be going and keeping rest of them as a default, add as a S3 as a data source. Now let's go next. Here I will be going and selecting the IAM role. If you do not have IAM role, just click on this create a new IAM role, and it let you create a new IAM role. I will be creating the rest of the options as a default. I will be going and clicking on next. Here I will be going and selecting the table. Here I have selected something called entity resolution DB, and I will be providing the prefix. I will be calling it as we are running as it from the console. I will calling it console. And then I will be having options to select on demand. And if you go and look into the to this advanced options, you have options to create a single schema for each S3 file. If you wanted to have that be created, you can able to go and tell, like, okay, how that if you're looking to define if the file is it's a multi if you have a S3 location which is multi-label of S3 location, you're able to specify which location you wanted to specify, and by table label you can able to specify that as well. So this way crawler will know what actually it need to go and crawl it. Thereafter you will be looking to update the definition of the data catalog, only newly added caller, etc. So there are options available within for you to select, right? So let's go and select next. And then also you have a crawler schedule. You can able to do the on demand, or also you have a hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and then you're able to do some kind of con expression if you're looking to do that. Here we are going to just generating using the on demand. Now go next. Once done, I will go and create crawler. Once the crawler is being done, the next job for me is to go and run the crawler. I will pause the video here, and once the crawler will done executing, I will go ahead and show you how the table is being getting created. Okay, now we are back. So if you see here, this is took 1 minute 26 seconds, and this is done, and it's created something called, this is the table it has added. So let's go and see. So we have this database entity resolution. We have selected, it has created something called entity resolution. If you see here, it has added the console underscore as a prefix. It will telling me this is my databases, this is where I'm having the file, this is file type, etc. Now let me go and run a query. So here I have went ahead and executed a query. So done, right? So this is how my data is look like. Go ahead, perfect. So this is how you're able to go and create a crawler and able to crawl your data in S3. Now let me show you one more variance within the crawler, right? So here, let's say, or maybe I can make a next video and showcase there. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you to the next video.